Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold4, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open for me and visible. Now once you have it, like I said, open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Oh. Actually, it looks like we just need to click them. Yep, there we go. So just a simple click. As you see, you have this like flash around the borders, and then you have this pop-up right here at the bottom to signify that you have successfully captured your screenshot. Obviously, this can be also done when the device is closed. So same thing, same outcome. Though this one will obviously take the screenshot of the lock screen. So in here, you can find your screenshots in the Photos application, and as you can see, it creates an album called Screenshots. So you can view them in the photos. It's going to be, as you can see, there are the two that I have captured, but obviously, like you've seen, if you go to Albums, you can go into Screenshots, and this will contain just the screenshots that I have captured over the time. And there we go. So these are the two screenshots. So anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.